Spain's national public broadcaster, RTVE, has upgraded one of its main television production facilities in Madrid with the installation of two Alfalite Neopix 1.5 Medix Alpha COB LED screens, marking the first-ever deployment of Neopix technology in a broadcast environment. The installation comprises two custom LED displays, a 7x2-meter curved screen and a 9x1-meter secondary display, both designed to meet the demanding requirements of daily television production. The screens will serve as the primary visual background for news, current affairs, and interview-based programming. For this project, Neopix integrates Medix Alpha COB, Alfalite's proprietary chip-on-board technology. This solution enhances LED protection, improves visual uniformity, and optimizes thermal dissipation, while also providing a more robust and easy-to-maintain surface. Key advantages for intensive use in television studios.